Imagine stepping into a time capsule. Your bathroom, once charmingly outdated, now feels like a relic. The faded tiles, the worn-out fixtures, they whisper stories of years gone by. But you're ready for a change. You deserve more than nostalgia. You crave luxury, sophistication, and a fresh start. We are Leave It to Me Construction. We don't just remodel bathrooms, we transform lives. Picturesque, sleek marble surfaces, gleaming faucets, and ambient lighting. Your sanctuary reborn. As the dust settles, so does your stress. You step into your modern oasis, and suddenly, everything shifts. Your mornings are brighter, your evenings more serene. It's not just a renovation, it's a revelation. Because when you upgrade your space, you elevate your life. Let's make your home a canvas for dreams, one remodel at a time.